Hello, and welcome to the Deeper Network. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Deeperchain bridge to transfer DPR from your MetaMask wallet to your Deeperchain wallet. In Google, search for Deeper Network Bridge and click on the first result. The first time that you connect to the bridge, you will need to enable Polkadot extension as well as MetaMask. If you have multiple MetaMask accounts, enable which ones that are relevant and then click Connect. I will send 100 DPR from my MetaMask account to my Deeperchain wallet. In the Polkadot extension, I can copy my Deeperchain wallet and paste it into the destination. Navigating to Atom OS, I can see that my current balance is 691 DPR. Once I click send, MetaMask will ask me to choose a gas fee. I click on site suggested and I always choose market fees. Once I click confirm, the transaction will complete in about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the DPR has sent, and once I check Atom OS, I will now have 791 DPR in my balance.